And I'm Rose. So today we are going to show you how to make easy and tasty pizzas by ourselves. So let's begin. To make the pizza dough, we need 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of warm water, 3/4 tablespoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon sugar and salt to taste. So first let's take some warm water in a bowl. And then add in the yeast. This will make the yeast ferment. Now mix the yeast well in the warm water. Now let's keep this aside. Then let's take another bowl and add the flour. Then you have to add the sugar. Then salt for taste. Then you have to add the olive oil. Oh sorry, I forgot to mention about the oregano. So then you have to add the oregano. It increases the flavor of the pizza. Okay, so we have to add a bit. Okay, so that's enough right now. You can add it according to you. It's like it depends upon your pizza and the amount of flour you take. Now let's just mix this very well. Okay, after you mix it well, you have to add the liquid which you kept before. This is the warm water and yeast fermented liquid. So let's pour it. And then you have to knead it well until it becomes a smooth dough. So now as you can see, the dough is small and smooth and soft. Yeah, it looks cute. So now I'm going to apply some olive oil on top of it. And then I'm going to keep this in a bigger bowl and cover it with a cloth or something like that and keep it aside until it rises like to its double size. That's almost like 2 hours. It depends upon the temperature. So by the time the dough rises, let's marinate the chicken. So for that we need 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of corn flour and salt to taste. So first let's add the pepper powder. The spoon we are using here is half tablespoon spoon. Then let's add the soy sauce. Then the chili sauce, corn flour, and then some salt for taste. After we have added all these ingredients, we have to fry the chicken in a pan. The heat should be in medium flame. If you want, you can keep it in the fridge for 10 minutes. It will be tastier. You should shallow fry the chicken until it's like half done and then keep it in a separate bowl. Now we are going to move into the best part of this recipe. Yes, doing the toppings. So for that we need red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, olives, onion, and pizza sauce. This we made at home, and I have put the how to make this sauce in the description box. This is mozzarella cheese, tomatoes, oregano, and the chicken that we fried. You can use any of the vegetables of your choice for the topping. It's according to your wish. So our dough, you can see, has rose to its double size.
Okay, so now let's move this.
Then we are going to divide this dough into two. Let's take it out slowly. We are doing this so that the air bubbles gets out of the dough. Now let's put this onto the sheet. And since our dough is kind of big, we are going to divide it into two. Now we have divided our dough into two. Now let's take the baking tray and put it on the tray and press it so that the pizza becomes flat. The edges should be a bit thick than the inner part. So before putting the dough on the baking tray, we had applied some olive oil on the tray so that the pizza dough doesn't stick onto it. Now you can see we have made the dough like really smooth. Now let's prick the dough with the fork so that there are some holes in it, and then the sauce and the flavor goes into it. Now let's apply the sauce. Now don't apply it on the edges, it should stay inside the circle. Let's apply the sauce evenly.
So now let's add the cheese, mozzarella cheese. You can add as much as you want. If you want it to be very cheesy, then you can add a lot or a little bit.
Cheese gives a lot of flavor to your pizza, so keep adding as much as you want.
I'm sure most of you love cheese.
Now let's add the remaining toppings. It's your choice what all to add.
If you want, you can add green capsicum. If you're adding yellow capsicum.
You're not a big fan of tomato, so just a bit of it.
Yeah. So now let's add the red capsicum.
And there goes in the onion.
Yeah.
Now our pizza has become really colorful.
Then the chicken. Chicken looks yummy.
The chicken is already half done, so in the oven it will be fully done. Okay, I think that's enough.
Okay. Now let's add the cheese on the top.
Now this is the final ingredient.
Yeah.
The topping.
For a cheesy look, you have to add a lot of cheese.
So according to how much ever you need.
Yeah.
Right. So now let's add the oregano. If you want, you can add chili flakes too.
It provides more taste.
Yes, that's enough.
And then let's brush the oil at the edges.
On the edges.
Okay, so I've applied the oil all over the edges. Okay, so now that's done.
Now we have to keep this in the 200-degree preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. So let's keep it in the oven.
Right now our pizzas are ready.
So let's just give it a cut.
So it's kind of very cheesy.
It becomes very cutty fast. It's so smooth.
Yeah.
You can see the cheese.
Wow, it looks really tasty. Now let's cut it.
Oh, it's getting hard to cut because of the cheese.
We are almost cutting it into 8 pieces. So
Now let's take a piece.
it's cheesy.
Too cheesy and hot.
Yeah.
You can see the cheese and all the vegetables.
Yeah. You can see the cheese, right?
The crust is really good now, and
Yeah,
so
the
our
base
pizza
is
is
really
really
good.
ready.
So this is how you make the pizza. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe.
And type your comments below in the comment box.
Don't forget to try it out.
Thank
Bye.
you.